In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cookies on Google Chrome. If a website isn't loading correctly, keeps you signed in when it shouldn't, or throws strange errors, clearing cookies is often the quickest fix. Cookies are small bits of data that sites save in your browser to remember things like your login status and preferences. They're helpful, but they can get corrupted or out of date. Deleting them gives your browser a fresh start with the websites you visit. Let's begin inside Chrome. Look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three vertical dots. Click those, then choose History from the menu. If you prefer a shortcut, you can press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to jump straight to the History page. Either way, you'll end up in the same place. On the left side of the History page, find and click Clear Browsing Data. This opens the cleanup window where you control exactly what gets removed. You may notice options organized into categories, and sometimes there are basic and advanced tabs. For what we're doing today, you don't need to change tabs or dig into anything complicated. Before you clear anything, make sure only the item labeled Cookies and Other Site Data is selected. Uncheck everything else. This ensures you're targeting just cookies and not wiping out your browsing history, cached images, or other saved information unless you specifically want that gone. Keeping it to cookies is a precise way to clear out site-specific issues without removing more than necessary. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of most accounts and reset site settings like remembered preferences, which is exactly why it helps resolve those stubborn glitches. Next, set the time range to all time. This does a complete reset of cookies from your browser, not just the ones from the last hour or last week. Choosing all time is the most thorough approach and is ideal when a problem keeps coming back or you want a truly clean slate. When everything looks correct, only cookies and other site data checked, and time range set to all time, click the blue Clear Data button. Chrome will process for a moment while it deletes the cookies. Once it's done, your browser's connection to websites is refreshed. The next time you visit a site, it will behave as if you're visiting for the first time, and you'll likely need to sign back in. That's it. Cookies cleared and browser refreshed. You're all set.